Oh, now it's all dark. Shit. What up? Can't see shit. There we go. What up? My name is Connor Kasheri. I just want to talk about getting back into nature and how to get back into nature. First thing is, you need to know why you're going into nature, why it's important to go into nature, because then you can start having the willpower to go into nature. Now, nature is very important. Us human beings, we're not supposed to be outside of nature. Everything living on this planet is supposed to be in nature. The trees grow with the dirt, with the sun. The animals grow with nature. They need nature. Everything else is man-made outside of nature. I'm not saying everything that's man-made is bad, but you get what I'm saying. Now, like I said, the trees need the soil. The trees need the sun. That's how they grow. We are trees. We're human trees. We're Mother Earth manifested in physical form. All humans, the human race. We need sunlight, just like the trees. Vitamin D, melanin. This all plays a significant role in our everyday life, helping us become better beings. We need soil with our feet, to our feet, just like the tree. Because all the nutrients from the earth comes through our feet, into our spine, into our pineal glands, giving us light codes, energy, raising our vibration with the planet. And that's how you get back into nature and you become one with nature. You plant your feet every day with nature. You need to know why it's important. I like to think that whenever I'm out here, I'm just charging myself up. I'm charging my energy. That's what I'm doing when I'm out here. And when you get on the vibration of the planet, your energy will be so high, you'll be glowing. You'll be glowing. And it's a beautiful thing. You'll be feeling so good. You'll be feeling the best you will ever feel. It's the best thing you can feel for yourself. It ties into your higher self. Coming into nature is a part of your higher self. It's a part of us as the greatest versions of ourselves. We are nature beings. Peace.